Paul Sheppard was one of the youngest teachers at the St. John's School of Alberta, a Christian wilderness school on the North Saskatchewan River just west of Edmonton. He told the students stories about being an Air Force pilot and a cop.
Nothing seemed plausible and everything seemed plausible.
One of those students, Stacey Easton, was sexually assaulted by Sheppard.
He would look at me in the showers. Spanking for him was sexual, and he would spank more than any other teacher. And then he touched my genitals.
In 2021, a jury found Sheppard guilty of sexually assaulting Easton back in 1993. He was sentenced to 6 years in prison, which was lowered to 4 on appeal. The appeal court cited Sheppard's nearly 30 years of post-crime law-abiding behavior for the reduction. The panel of judges also cited that the evidence before the sentencing court was that Sheppard had no prior criminal record.
It's very disturbing.
In Stratford, Ontario, Corey Bernier knew that wasn't true.
I didn't know all this stuff had happened after until I Googled his name and seen that he was in the courts for the exact same things that he was doing here 30 years ago.
Before becoming a teacher, Sheppard was a police officer, but a short tenure with the Stratford Police Service ended in 1986 when he was accused of sexually assaulting 6 children, including Corey Bernier, who met Sheppard through Big Brothers.
He taught me a lot of inappropriate things, as in how to touch myself.
Sheppard pleaded guilty to 6 counts of assault in 1986. Sexual assault charges were dropped as part of a plea deal. He received a suspended sentence and 2 years of probation. Bernier is now suing Sheppard for pain and suffering from the alleged abuse.
It's not really about the money for myself per se, but I do believe he deserves to have some kind of accountability for this.
Sheppard did not respond to multiple requests for comment. However, at a parole hearing in July, he acknowledged the Stratford offenses, but he says it was nothing sexual, just corporal punishment. He was granted day parole and is currently serving out his sentence at a halfway house in Ontario. Ryan Cook, CBC News, St. John's.